In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat in a few simple steps so you can add smarter, automated content generation to your Wix site without getting lost in the setup. This is a great way to speed up your workflow, create better chat experiences, and make your site feel more dynamic and useful for visitors. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're signed in to your Wix Dashboard. From the home screen, look over to the side panel and click on Apps. This is where Wix keeps all the tools and integrations you can add to your site. Once you're in the Apps section, click on App Market. The App Market is where you can search for different apps and features that extend what your website can do. Now, in the search bar, type ChatGPT. This will bring up the available ChatGPT-related apps and integrations inside Wix. Take a moment to look through the results and find the app called PoCo ChatGPT Content Generator. This is the one you want for this setup. Click on it to open the app details page so you can review it before adding it to your site. Once the app page opens, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Go ahead and click that button. Wix will now begin the process of connecting the app to your website. After that, you'll be prompted to confirm the installation, so click Agree and Add to continue. This gives Wix permission to install the app and connect it properly to your site environment. After the app is added, Wix will finish setting everything up in the background. Depending on your site and account, this may take a few moments. Once complete, the ChatGPT-based content generator will be connected to your Wix site and ready to use with your chat or content workflow. At this point, you've successfully integrated OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat using the Wix App Market. From here, you can explore the app settings, customize how it behaves, and start using it to improve your site's chat and content capabilities. If you're building a business site, a support page, or even a content-heavy website, this kind of integration can help save time and improve the user experience. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.